Nothing is gearing up for one of its biggest product launches yet, with a highly anticipated event set to take place tomorrow in London. At the center of this event are two exciting new products, the Phone 3 and Nothing's very first over-ear headphones, the Headphone 1. As the launch date draws near, both devices have already stirred major buzz through a wave of leaks, insider confirmations, and early design reveals. Here's everything you need to know about what Nothing is preparing to bring to the table. The Phone 3 is being described by the company as its first true flagship, marking a major evolution from the previous models. In a recent interview on The Android Show, CEO Carl Pei confirmed that this next-generation smartphone will come with a premium price tag, around €800 or roughly $1,000. That's nearly double the price of the Phone 2, which signals just how serious Nothing is about competing at the top tier of the smartphone market. But with that higher price, Nothing also promises a long-term commitment to software support. The Phone 3 will reportedly ship with Android 15 and receive 5 years of full Android updates and 2 additional years of security patches, offering users a total of 7 years of support. Another interesting rumor floating around is that the Phone 3 could feature a dedicated AI button, similar to what we've seen on some rival devices like Action Button in iPhones. This could be a bold step towards integrating smarter AI-driven features directly into the hardware, though we'll have to wait until the official launch to confirm if this is true. What's your take on this new button? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, while the Phone 3 is expected to lead the charge, the debut of Headphone 1 is equally exciting. This is Nothing's first entry into the over-ear audio category, and the company has made it clear that design will play a huge role. According to lead designer Tom Ridley, the goal is to make the headphones visually expressive, a product that reflects the user's personality. Adam Bates, Nothing's global design director, has added that each button on the headphones will have a unique shape, helping users quickly recognize their functions by touch alone. Although the company has kept most specs under wraps, leaked information gives us a strong early look. The headphones are expected to weigh about 329 grams and are reportedly targeting the premium audio market. Performance-wise, they're said to surpass even Apple's AirPods Max, thanks to the inclusion of custom 40mm drivers and a possible partnership with British audio brand KEF, well known for producing high-end speakers. Additionally, Headphone 1 could offer up to 80 hours of playback with noise cancellation turned off, and about 35 hours with it on while using the AAC codec. These numbers would make Headphone 1 one of the longest-lasting wireless headphones available, which is a huge advantage for users who prioritize endurance over frequent charging. Headphone 1 is expected to include Google Fast Pair, Microsoft Swift Pair, support for dual device connections, wear detection for automatic play and pause, a dedicated low-latency gaming mode, LED charging indicators, customizable sound profiles, and even integration with the Find My Device network. All these features point toward a highly capable and thoughtfully designed premium audio product. With both the Phone 3 and Headphone 1, Nothing appears ready to take a major leap forward. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Headphone 1 and Nothing Phone 3? Will you buy? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.